The last time na pumunta kami dito was with my sister Mimi. I miss you, Mingay. Nanuluha ako ba? Tingnan niyo ang kanilang tubig-tubig dyan. Tapos yung trampoline dyan, guys. Diyan naglalaro si Mimi tsaka si Paris before. Just a year ago. Uy, don't lugit-lugit yung ilong na. Kala, ayun. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Saturday, everyone. Here's the family. We are now ready. Aalis kami. We're going to this winery in Red Hill, Daddy?
Yes.
Yeah, we're having breakfast there, guys. It's currently 9:30 and ang aming booking ay 10 o'clock. So we have to go now. Itong ating baby girl ay hirap bihisan. Put the shoes on now, we can go. We had a good sleep, guys. Did you have a good sleep, Daddy?
Yes.
Yeah. So as Paris, and you know what? Si Paris ay natulog siya doon sa isang bed, guys. Pero mga 5 o'clock siguro, she moved here, sabi niya Didi. Jump, jump.
Say big
That is
jump,
fun.
Daddy.
Big jump, Daddy. Tingnan niyo sa labas, guys. Oh, very dark, guys. Akala ko 27 today. Ano lang pala? 19 lang ata. Dito na kami sa labas, guys. So, yun yung ating baby girl. Oh, nakasapatos na. Si Daddy Mike, hinahanap pa niya ang kanyang wallet. Kasi, ewan ko kung saan niya nailagay. Napi, come here, nak. Guys, can you remember this top? Ukay-ukay din to siya, guys. Kasama nung sinuot niya kahapon. Did you find it, Daddy? Wala, what's that? What's that you got? And two.
If you're a good girl, you'll get 2. If you're a good girl.
Sobrang cute, guys. Oh, meron siyang may strawberry dito tapos pink yung kulay niya. Come down. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Go.
Sit down.
Guys, kakapark lang namin dito. Oh my God, pumunta kami doon sa baba. Tapos full na pala. Tapos everyone started to go down there. Hindi nila alam na full na. Tapos sana nilagyan nila ng dito na full na yung parking sa baba. Kasi yung iba kailangan nilang mag-reverse para makabalik dito sa taas. Dito magpa-park. Oh my God. I miss it here, guys. The last time na pumunta kami dito was with my sister Mimi. I miss you, Mingay. Nanuluha ako ba? Nag-iisip ng sister ko. Dito kami before. Remember yung video namin na parang prenup na photoshoot kami. Pero doon lang pala sa kanilang mga grapes. Ayun ang dalawa. Oh, iniwan na ako. Oh. Sige, chika pala, mami. Careful, there's car, nak. We can't get the lemon, nak. Gustong kumuha ni Paris ng lemon. Baby girl, hala, you're not allowed, anak. Taka.
Let's go to the shop, come on.
Come on, hello, you're going to the shop. You're gonna eat. Abidib-bidib ka karon, nak.
Oi! We're gonna be very late.
We'll go that way, Daddy. Oh. Oh.
It's 10:30.
That's what I mean. We go that way. Come on. Anak, you can get the lemon, nak. Tinan nyo ang mga lemon, guys. Oh.
Come on.
Lemon is cool, Mommy.
Oh, lemon is so cool, yes?
This is the old one.
The water is there.
Come on, Paris. Ang ganda dito, guys. Oh, okay lang naman kahit walang araw. Mas maganda talaga to siya tingnan kapag may araw. Kasi super green. But it's okay. 10 o'clock pala yung aming booking, guys. And it's already 10:30. Sobrang daming tao. Grabe. Ayan, mga grapes yan lahat dyan, guys. Ayan. Tapos yun yung winery doon. No? Daming bunga ng kanilang lemon ba? Lots of bees na?
Yeah. It's like this.
Tingnan nyo, oh. Sobrang daming sasakyan. Wala nang space.
Shoulders. Knees. Right.
Tapos may lake dyan.
And heels.
Gandang mapicture-picture dito, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh, lasang.
I need to scan in using this QR code today to register for COVID. We're also going to be able to access the menu through that QR reader there. Picture menu will pop up, then we'll come and take your order from the table today. Just letting you know we do need the table back by 11:30 today. Enjoy.
Thank you. Wow! Ayun, guys, ito ang aming
Hey, this one.
table. Tingnan nyo ang kanilang tubig-tubig dyan. Tapos yung trampoline dyan, guys. Siya ang naglalaro si Mimi tsaka si Paris before. Just a year ago.
We need to get a hatchet.
Come on. Yeah.
Come on, me, Daddy.
Now we need.
We have to eat first, honey, before we play. Have a look at the baby. Baby's eating. See? See?
To eat, Mommy.
Ayan, guys. Oh, ito yung new normal, guys. Ayan. So, kailangan mo itong scan. Tapos, ilagay mo yung, ano, yung mga details mo. And then, ayan. Ganyan na yan siya. Just in case merong breakout dito. Tapos, kontakin ka nila. Ayan. And then, now, yung menu pala ay nandito din siya, guys. Ito. So, wala siyang, yung paper talaga nila na menu. Ito lang scan mo. Tapos, yeah, they will take your order from here. Ang ating baby girl ay hindi na makapaghintay na maglaro. Oh. Ayan. Tapos may lalabas na ganito. Tapos yan na yung menu nila, guys. Okay, order lang muna kami, guys.
Don't fall down. You hurt yourself.
Paris is being a suki, guys. Oh.
That's just a nice.
Gusto niya maglaro.
Do you wanna play? We're gonna play.
We're gonna go play. We have to eat first now.
As soon as we eat, we're gonna play.
Okay?
I like to play.
You like to play, I know. So we have to eat.
I like to play. I like to play too.
Yeah.
Play.
Oh, they're watching Tita and Tito. They're like, why is Paris crying?
Say sorry.
Stand up, be like a big girl, be. Big girl na kasi Paris, Daddy, oh. That's why you don't drama is because mataga ka is bukulan ka. Have a look, oh. There, oh, here, oh. Here, oh. Doggy.
That is a big.
Doggy so big.
Look. Wanna go to Mommy?
Yes, hi, Doggy. Tignan nyo ang ating baby girl, guys. Oh, gusto na talagang maglaro ba, oh.
Eating first, and then we'll play.
We're gonna eat first, man, nak. Mama is so hungry, nak.
No, we need to eat first, Papi, and then we're playing.
Last time nung nandito kami, guys, nandito si Tita Mimi. So while we were eating, si Tita Mimi at saka si Baby Paris ay naglalaro doon. Ngayon, wala man si Tita Mimi yung saon. We have to eat first. Come here. Have a look. Oh, play with the baby. Oh.
No, that's all.
Here's our order, guys. Nag-order ako ng extra bread. Ayan. And this is it. This is the platter for two. Olives, cheese, salami. What's this one, Daddy? Olive oil. Okay. There you go.
Can you take a photo for Daddy, please?
This is the baby tuna for Paris. Na ayaw niya yata inumin. What have you got there, Daddy? No one.
Huh? Oh, I'm alright.
Mommy.
Almond latte. Yes, Nat?
Coffee, Mommy.
Yes. It's a bigger. Oh, thank you. Okay. Ayan na, guys.
Yeah. cake.
Wow. Kain muna kami guys. Andyan lang kayo.
This one's yum. This one. Taste it. Taste them and tell me what that is. Any? What is it?
Tomato?
Tomato.
It is.
Quince.
Ah. Cheese. Okay, interesting. Oh yeah, it's not bad.
Huh?
I like it. Olive. Yeah. I love this bread, guys. This is not sourdough, is it?
I think it is. I think it is.
Is that sourdough?
I think it is sourdough. But the sourdough's usually got like the bubbles.
Sobrang sarap nito guys, oh. What's this one, Daddy? What's this one?
Quince. Huh?
Boo-boo. Have you had your drink? Drink it like that, oh. Make mommy out, say mommy out. Yeah, we go when we finish eating. What's this one, salami? Sausage?
Chorizo.
Chorizo. Anak, what are you doing, Anak?
I'm back. Push it up.
Okay. Wanna come out?
I'm gonna go jump down.
Yeah, this way, Anak. This way. Very happy na siya kasi makakapunta na siya sa trampoline. Okay? Okay? Dito kami nagpicture nun guys, oh. Yung nag-kiss-kiss kami. This way, anak. Here's the door, oh. Here, baba. Look who's here. Here.
Big jump. Big jump.
They're in the play.
That is too big.
So I just want to like front finger down and then like go up.
Hold down on your bum. Come on.
Dito kami guys sa kanilang man-made lake yata ito. Gonna go look for the ducks. Oh, it's getting cold now, guys. Careful na ka. It's gonna rain too. It's drizzling now. Ooh, ooh. Careful, Paris. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Diyan kami kumain. Tapos dito sa likuran, meron din silang kagubatan. Oh, I love countryside guys. Gusto ko yung mga ganito, yung mga puno. Very peaceful lang ba? Tapos yan yung mga grapes nila. Where is Paris going? Tapos I think yung mga tao dun pupunta guys sa winery. Diyan. Oh. Careful baba. Hala, daghan kay tai. Smelly.
Watch out. Next.
Very smelly anak. Hala, it's raining na daddy. Oh, let's go. Have a look. Going now. Say bye-bye daddy. Bye-bye daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
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 Over here. Guys, it's now 4:11 and kakagising ng ating baby girl.
My favorite
Nakatulog to siya
is
kanina pa.
fly, mommy.
What is that?
It's fly.
It's a fly. Naghahanap kami ng fish and chips, guys. Kanina pa talaga. We were driving around. Tapos, yeah, we end up here sa KFC. Fish and chips, pero KFC pala nag-stop. Ayan. Kasi, snacks muna. Mamaya, we'll get dinner. Pero ngayon, kaya si Paris natin, ayan, nagising siya kasi pag stop ko, parang na-feel niya na nag-stop yung sasakyan. Kaya yun. But you having a good day na?
But I got to go shoot.
That's your shoes off. That's your shoes off. Huh. Are you a big girl now?
Yes. I'm jumping.
What is it?
I'm jumping.
Jumping.
It's a robot. A train.
Hey, sing shoe fly na.
Fly, mommy, she fly. Yummy, she fly. Yummy.
Uy, don't look at your ilong na. Kala, ayun, no. Don't the word, you'll hurt your ilong. Ano, bahala ka eh. Hi guys! Ayan, nakabalik na tayo dito sa ating room. And pumunta kami kanina sa grocery store. Pumili kami ng something na makakain tonight. Si Baby Paris at si Daddy Mike pala guys. Open natin itong carton para hayag. You see me better? Daddy Mike at si Paris pumunta sila sa likuran kasi merong parang maliit na tent. Yung ganun guys. Ayan, doon nila dinala yung pagkain. We don't have something to eat there. Lalagay ko lang to sa ating fridge para guminaw naman. Ito yung binili ko guys. Yogurt, caramel crumble, and vanilla bean. May pang snacks tayo mamayang gabi. I've also got ayan, corn chips. Tapos, mangga. Ayan. Dalawang mangga. There you go. Mamaya na natin to i-plaster, guys. I'll take you with me sa labas, ha? Medyo maginaw na siya, guys. Aking chips. Hello, princess. Wow.
Mommy!
Yes, my love. What's that?
Sit.
Sit. May chicken. Ayan. Tapos yung Pepsi namin. Ulit.
Paris?
Mm-hmm.
Paris, mommy.
Bon appetit, Paris.
Nice, mommy.
Yes, you can have that. Okay. You like it now?
Go to Lucky.
Mm.
Like it, mama.
You don't like it?
Yes.
The one in Ashwood Bob. It's still the best one. Ang daming mga rooms dito, guys. How many rooms do you reckon there?
Count them. Count those. 1, 2, 3.
No.
8.
I think I've seen 9. Yeah. Maybe 15. At least 15. Umulan pala kanina, guys. Dapat sana, yung plano namin today is beach again. Pero nga umulan, so hindi kami pumunta ng beach. Biglaan kasing nag-change yung weather, guys. Last week, yung sabi, today sana 27. Tapos, today, yung totoo talaga, reality is 19 degrees lang. Tomorrow is 18 and it's going to rain. Pauwi na naman kami bukas. Yummy.
Thank you, Paris. Are you sharing Daddy?
Yes.
That's so sweet.
No, it's so cold. Very cold, yes. Are you cold now? No? You sure?
Because you've got in Daddy's arms, aren't you? I'm not cold because I'm with Daddy. So I'm with Daddy. I'm on Daddy's lap. See, Daddy not cold. I'm not cold.
Bar's not cold? We're changing up here. La 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 la.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Here. Here. Right here. Not here. Here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's sticky ba? Bawag lang. Fix the hair ba? Careful, yan mahayang ka, ha? TFC mukbang. Yung kinakain ni Paris, yung crumb lang.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Someone had to like it. Chicken. Joveys. So eating chippies. It's hot. Yummy. Yummy. What's wrong? Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys! It's now 8:43 ng gabi. Dapat sana magdi-dinner kami sa labas. But Paris before, kaninang hapon, lumabas siya. Tapos yung may mga girls kasi guys na nagstay din sa isa sa mga unit dito. Tapos naglalaro sila with Paris. Ayan. So medyo late na at hindi na kami lumabas kasi yung mga restaurant dito, mag-close naman sila ng 9 o'clock. So we decided na mag-Uber Eats. Ay, Uber Eats. Hindi Uber Eats guys kasi walang Uber Eats sila dito. So menu log. So kailangan kong Yes, anak. Do you wanna change? Kailangan kong i-change itong... Ay, change. Kailangan kong download ang app ng Menulog sa aking phone para makapag-order kami. And I ordered Indian food. Yeah, so that's going to be our dinner for tonight. Are you pushing? Here's our food. Kaka-deliver lang. Ayan. So, ito yung in-order namin, guys. Oh. Basmati rice, butter chicken for daddy. We got roti, naan, and also beef vindaloo for me. Ayan. So, we paid $47.20. 40 din. Ayan na yung naan, guys. Oh. Then, Nak, what are you doing, Nak? What are you doing with Mama's bag? There's the roti. There it is. And then we got this. Oh, it's very rich. Are you okay, Nak?
I'm pushing.
Oh, you're still pushing, Baba. This is the beef vindaloo. Oh no, that's butter chicken. This is the beef vindaloo. And here it is. Ayan. Kain muna tayo guys kasi sobrang gutom ako. It's now 9:40.
Mama, I want to get out.
You wanna get that? Maybe. We just finished our dinner. Did you like your dinner, Daddy?
Yes.
Baby, mommy.
Oh, shush, Didi, ang baby girl. Come up here now. Come up here now.
I want back
We're
here.
gonna go to bed soon, okay? Come up here. So guys, i-end na natin yung vlog natin dito, but I'm just going to share with you the positive quote of the day, which is the key to success is to start before you are ready. Is that right, Daddy?
Definitely. Amen.
Anyways, had an amazing day today. It was, fun. Did you like your day today, Daddy?
It was nice. It's not cold and wet.
Yeah, I know. It's been raining today, guys. We didn't expect that one. And you know what, guys? So, sobrang excited ko, diba? Nag-impake talaga ako the night before na umalis kami. But, yung nadala ko lang is yung mga gamit ko na susuotin ko during the daytime. Wala akong dala na pang tulog, guys. Pero sabi naman ni Daddy Mike, you don't need any... you don't need clothes when you go to sleep. So, ayan. Pero nanghiram ako kay Daddy Mike, guys, ng t-shirt niya. Yun yung pinangtulog ko. Yeah, maraming salamat, guys, sa patuloy na panonood ng ating mga videos, sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Welcome sa inyong lahat. Now, I'm just going to do a quick shout out. And the first one goes to Janzi Pinay, Australia, Riz Chano, Clarice Torres, Fritzy Marjorie Ramos, Marde Pido. Shout out to Jovey Esin, Freddie Martinez Jr., and also Martinez family here sa Bacoor, Cavite. Shout out to Fides Piging, Mad Brat, Wilma Belarmino, Vicky Inot. Shout out to Grisha Pasaylo, Fele Lamparo, Emma Turing, Fe Guarnes, Joanne Ambe, and Lovella Radok. That's about it for today's video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up, Nak! Thumbs up! And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't...
No. Bye.
Bye! Be careful, bye!